Speed distance problems are among the most complained about problems on the GMAT. I can't tell you how many clients come to us and say, you know, speed distance problems, word problems, work rate problems, these are the ones that give me difficulty. So today we're going to look at a particularly difficult one and see just how easy it can be with the right approach. In this problem, we have two cars, car A and B. Car A begins 20 miles behind car B and needs to catch up. And our immediate DSM, default solving mechanism, is to dive in and create an equation for this. And that's exactly what we don't want to do. These types of problems are notorious for being algebraically complex while conceptually simple. If you hold on to the algebra, if you hug it really tight, it's going to drag you down with it, rather than getting rid of the algebra, saying, you've been a good friend. We had good times when we were 12, and I had that crush on Jessica in algebra class. But I'm going to lead with the concept here. And once you get all lovey-dovey with the concept, everything simplifies. In this problem, we're going to build up in solution paths. We're going to skip the algebra entirely. We're going to take a look at an iterative way to get to the answer, and then do a conceptual scenario where we literally put ourselves in the driver's seat to understand how this problem works. So if we want to take the iterative process, if we look at this, we say, we know we don't want to do the algebra, but we're not really sure what else to do. We can simply drive the process hour by hour until we get to the answer. We can imagine this on a number line or just do it in a chart with numbers. But A starts 20 miles behind B. So let's say A starts at mile marker 0, B starts at 20. After 1 hour, A is at 58, B is at 70. And the differential is now -12, not -20. After the second hour, A is at 116, B is at 120, and A is just 4 behind B. After the third hour, hey, guess what? A caught up. Now it's 4 miles ahead. And then at the fourth hour, it's not only caught up, but it's actually plus 12, so we've gone too far. So we can see that the correct answer is between 3 and 4, and our answer is 3.5. Answer choice E. So now, let's take a look at this at a higher level. If we take a look at what we've just done, we can notice a pattern with the catching up. -20 to -12 to -4 to +4. Do you guys see the pattern? We're catching up by 8 miles per hour. And if you're self-prepping and don't know what to do with this is the pattern that you want to hinge on in order to find the better solution path. You can also observe, and this is how you want to do it on the exam, that if A is going 8 miles an hour faster than B, then it's catching up by 8 miles per hour. What we care about here is the rate of catching up, not the actual speeds. The 50 and 58 are no different than 20 and 28 or 1,000,000 and 1,000,008. That is, the speeds don't matter, only the relative distance between the cars. And that changes at 8 miles per hour. So then the question becomes starkly simple. We want to catch up 20 miles and then exceed 8 miles. So we want to have a 28-mile shift, and we're doing so at 8 miles an hour. 28 divided by 8 is 3.5 hours. Answer choice E. Now you ask yourself, if you're not seeing this, how do I make this personal? And the hallmark of good scenarios is making stuff personal. Imagine you're driving, and imagine your buddy is in the car in front of you. He's 20 miles away. You guys are both driving, and you're trying to catch up. If you drive the same speed, you're never going to get there. If you drive 1 more mile per hour than him, you'll catch up by a mile each hour. It would take you 20 hours to catch up. This framework of imagining yourself driving and your friend in the other car, or better yet, 2 people walking down the street, is all it takes to demystify this problem. Make it personal, and your scenarios will take you there. Thanks for watching, guys. Hope this helped. And for other speed, distance, work rate, and other awesome GMAT problems, check out the links below, okay?